Let us see how do we calculate area of a trapezoid with different angles at the base. Thank you. I am Anil Kumar. Welcome to my YouTube channel and the website Global Math Institute. Let me share with you a question from my student who wants to understand how do we find area of a trapezoid for given conditions. We'll use special triangle to solve this. We'll also use trigonometry for finding the solution. So I'll provide you with both the solutions. The question here is, the parallel sides of a trapezoid has length of 7 centimeters and 15 centimeters. The two lower base angles are 30 degrees and 60 degrees. Find the area of the trapezoid. We want the exact value of the area. Okay. You can always pause the video, answer the question. And in case you want to learn from me directly, you can send an email on the address given. Well, to solve this question, it's better to sketch the diagram. So let's make a trapezoid. So one of the angles is 60, the other one is 30. So these are the parallel sides, and we are given that these parallel sides are 7 centimeters and 15 centimeters. The angles being 60 and 30 degrees. If I drop a perpendicular from the top vertices, we get a rectangle in between. And clearly this rectangle will have an area of 7 times height. And what we really need to figure out is what is the height of this, right? So that is what we need to find. Now, we also know that since the base is 8 more than 7, then these two triangles, let's say the dimensions, the lengths here are x and y. In that case, x plus y is equal to what? Well, 15 minus 7, which is 8, right? Now, individually, in terms of height, we can find x and y. So that is the strategy. You can use a tangent ratio, or you can use special triangles. Now, let's use the tangent ratio. Tan of 60 degrees is basically equal to, I've drawn a special triangle right here, right? This helps us to find the value of tangent ratio also. So tan of 60 degrees is opposite side, which is h over x, right? Tan of 60 degrees, as you can see, square root 3. So we can say square root 3 is equal to h over x. And that gives me the value of x as equal to h over square root 3. Makes sense? Now let's find y. So we can say that tan of 30 degrees is h over y, and so y is h over tan 30. Tan of 30 degrees is 1 over square root 3, which is h over 1 over square root 3. So y basically is square root 3 times h. Perfect. So now we know both x and y in terms of height of this trapezoid. So we can say that x plus y, which is h over square root 3 plus square root 3h, is basically equal to 8, right? Perfect. So that will give us the height of this, right? So let's move on to a new page. So we just figure out that in the given circumstances, we have that 8 is equal to h over square root 3 plus square root 3 times h. So we can take h common here. So we get 1 over square root 3 plus square root 3. Take common denominator and you get 1 plus 3 in the numerator. So you can now cross multiply and find the value of h. So from here, h is equals to 8 square root 3 over 1 plus 3, which is 4. Or you can write this as 2 square root 3. Makes sense. So we get the height as 2 square root 3 in our trapezoid, which was kind of like this. Let me make a smaller version of this, right? I made 60 degrees on this side. Right? So we had 7 and 15. So now we find that x and y related with height gave us the height of 2 square root 3. Right? Now what is area of trapezoid? So area of trapezoid is sum of the two parallel sides, which is 7 plus 15, right? Times the height, which is 2 square root 3, divided by 2. That's the formula, right? So 7 plus 15 is 22. You could actually cancel these 2's, right? And so you get 22 square root 3. Unit being centimeter square. Perfect. So remember the formula for area of a trapezoid is a plus b times height divided by 2, right? Or I can write half times. So that's the formula which I've just used. And so in the given circumstances, we have area A as equal to 22 square root 3 centimeters square. Makes sense. So that is how we are going to solve this particular question. Perfect. So I hope the steps are absolutely clear. Feel free to write your comments and share your views. In case you like and subscribe to my videos, it will be great. You can always send an email on the address given to learn directly from me. Thanks for your time and all the best.